Alrighty, we got this floor wrapped up. This is another one. Got the nice little transition strip in here. So this is another one. Came out nice. As you can see, this kind of work you want. If you want this work done, we're gonna come back. The homeowner asked us to replace that baseboard there at the last minute, so we're gonna come back with that baseboard. Just slide it right in. You know, just nice, man. Turns out nice. They're about to get their bathroom redone. So we suggested that they didn't run the wood all the way up. Just wait, because they're going to be doing new tile and all that's going to be changed, you know. So just came out exquisite, man. Just came out exquisite. You know, came out nice, ran it down. Told her to change her baseboards. You know, we painted the baseboards up for her. She picked a really nice floor. Really nice floor. She's gonna come back with a nice transition strip. We gotta get the right one for that. She's gonna come back and bring that forward so we can put that in. It just came out nice. Just came out really nice. Overall, another job well done. Another job well done. Feel free to take a look at our before pictures. You know, this is the kind of work we do. All right.